Hi there, and welcome to our series of help videos. Today, we will be showing you how to use the My Group Purchases tool for managing your vouchers. Through this tool, you can send voucher codes to employees, monitor their progress with training, and view and print certificates when they pass their exams. Although you can access this tool from a mobile device, it's easier to use on a desktop computer. To get started, log into your account on statefoodsafety.com. Click the Login button, enter the username and password you created during the checkout process, and click Log In. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can go to the video in the link to learn how to recover it. After you've logged in, click the My Group Purchases button on the left side of the screen. You'll now see 4 tabs at the top of the screen: Purchased Vouchers, Invited, Redeemed Vouchers, and Certificates. On the Purchased Vouchers tab, the one you start on, you'll see a list of courses and the quantity you have available. You'll also see cart icons, arrow icons, and magnifying glass icons. You can click the cart icons to buy more vouchers for a specific course type. The magnifying glass icons will show you the actual voucher codes you have for each course type. Use the arrow icons to send vouchers to your employees. When you click the arrow icon, you will be prompted to type in the employee's contact information. If you prefer, you can also follow the instructions to give a voucher code to your employee manually. Now, let's click the Invited tab. Here, you'll see a list of employees you've sent vouchers to. You'll see the voucher code, the product name, and the date you sent the voucher. You will also see more arrow icons that you can click to resend a voucher if your employee hasn't used it yet. If there are any employees in this list who are no longer working for you, you can also change where a voucher is being sent by clicking the arrow and typing in a different name and contact information. Next, let's click on the Redeemed Vouchers tab. Here, you can see which employees have redeemed vouchers you have sent, as well as their progress in completing their training. Finally, click the Certificates tab. Here you can see a list of all employees who have completed their trainings and tests. You can view and print their certificates from this tab by clicking these icons. If you have a lot of employees in this list, you can also use the filters to make it easier to find specific information. For example, you could search for an employee by name or look up everyone whose certificate will be expiring soon. Thanks for watching our tutorial about the My Group Purchases tool. If you have any questions or issues making purchases through our group purchase system, please feel free to contact us.